establish pool. Establishing pool is about supplying products at the same rate at which the customer demands or consumes them. You let customer demand pool production instead of pushing products out to the customer based on forecast. The concept of pool builds on the basis of good flow in the value stream and improves it further by reducing inventory and reducing the time it takes to produce a product, known as cycle time. The aim is to communicate real-time requirements to trigger production at each step. This synchronizes production so products are made only as needed. To move your organization from a push to a pull system, you level out production, use Kanban to signal replenishment, and adjust supply and delivery logistics. Now let's see each strategy for moving from a push to a pull system to find out more about it. Level out production. You can level out production by logically sequencing it rather than creating and storing batches of components. How you sequence production depends on available working hours, cycle time, and the number of products the customer requires. Suppose you have an order for 5,000 digital cameras. With leveled out production, you create 5,000 camera components simultaneously. You time production so team members don't have to wait for components to complete their task. Use Kanban. Kanban is the signaling system used to trigger replenishment of inventory or the components needed to complete a task based on what's used at a particular station. Kanban signals may be as simple as an empty space or container. You can also use codes, emails, or flashing lights. For example, a light flashes just before a stamping machine completes a set, allowing the operator to prepare its next load. Adjust supply and delivery logistics. Supply and delivery has to be fast and reliable to ensure flow, and this requires elegant logistics. For example, you might provide suppliers with delivery windows in which products must be delivered. On the other hand, you could arrange product delivery so that you drop multiple products off to different customers during the same delivery run. Now let's see a question, the same one with a toy factory. Your toy factory has traditionally kept a large component inventory and created toys in batches. It orders and delivers single types of items in bulk. How would you convert the company's current system from push to a pull system? Here you have the options. Synchronize production so that while some workers are assembling components, others are manufacturing the components that they need. Replace the large container next to the molding machine with two smaller trolleys. When one empties, it is refilled. Drop off multiple toy store orders in the same delivery run. Create demand through direct sales strategies. And/or only deliver toys once the delivery van is loaded to capacity. And this is the answer for you to compare. Option 1, this option is correct. To establish pool, you should level out production so that toys flow evenly through the manufacturing process. This reduces inventory and cycle time. Option 2, this option is correct. To establish pool, you use Kanban to signal replenishment request, reducing inventory and cycle time. Option 3, this option is correct. Establishing pool requires efficient delivery logistics. Option 4, this option is incorrect. Pushing products onto customers does not create pool. And option 5, this option is again incorrect. This is an example of Muda. It would inhibit a continuous flow of products to the customer.